All right, guys, if you're interested in crypto passive income, this is the video for you. I'm going to give you guys an update on a protocol that I'm super bullish on. I've been bullish on. It's called the detonator over on emp.money. We're doing over $400 per day. Yes, that's $400 per day with this specific protocol, which is super cool because if we go over here to the chart on Ethereum, you guys can see over the course of the past 7 days, we've gone from $1,022 all the way up to $1,560 roughly at the time of the creation of this video, which means because this protocol is pegged to Ethereum, it's doing really well too. So you can see my deposits here, my max payout, how much I've claimed, my daily burst, so on and so forth. This daily burst represents how much I'm bringing in per day, which is 8.67 LP tokens. That's $400 per day, you guys. Super simple on how this works. All you do is you deposit your LP token, which is EMP. It's a pair of EMP, which is the native token of the protocol, emp.money, as well as Ethereum. So you combine those two together, you deposit them into the pool, and then you compound or you don't compound, completely up to you, and you'll earn back 365%. So I've been compounding quite a bit because we've been in a bear trend. So I've been compounding pretty much every single day and taking profits roughly 1 to 2 times per week. Okay, so that's all you do. You decide exactly how much you're going to go ahead and deposit. You deposit it, and then you have the option to go ahead and claim or simply click on compound. Now you cannot take your initial principal out. The cool thing about the detonator is it provides liquidity for the overall protocol. So the boardroom prints, so there's stability in the price of EMP. Now that's a video for a separate day. I didn't want to go into too much detail. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn how to make passive income with emp.money. Let me know in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, if you are new to this protocol, you want to know exactly how it works, you want to know exactly how to get started, then all you need to do is just let me know in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and do a live call on a specific day and date, and I'll let you guys know when that takes place. So if you want to be notified of that, all you got to do is sign up for my newsletter below. You'll also get the chance to learn how I went from zero to generating roughly $1 million in as little as 4 months. So let me show you really quickly what these numbers mean. So you have the pool balance right here, which rises every single day. So there is $4.2 million worth of value just in the detonator alone. You can see the total deposited, which is 416,156, which is roughly 19,892,273. You can see the amount claimed right here, and you can see the users here. And now you need to understand that claim doesn't mean that you're taking profits. You can compound, and when you compound, that amount actually goes into your claimed section, okay? And it also goes into your deposited section, just so you guys understand. So this doesn't mean that $14 million, almost $15 million of profit was taken, just so you guys are completely clear on that. So what helps drive more investors into this protocol is obviously great marketing. There's a great marketing team. This team and these devs are fully doxed. That's why I put so much of my own funds into this. You can see my current value. I started with $50,000. It's now worth $80,000 at the $1,553 price point when it comes to Ethereum, and 35 cents when it comes to EMP. Once we go super bullish again, you're going to see these numbers double. You're going to see my daily burst to be roughly $1,000 per day, and even more when I continue to compound over time. So this is a total deposit price. So there's 2 prizes that you can actually earn. You can earn the top deposit prize. So the individual that deposits the largest amount of LP tokens every single day at 12 a.m. UTC, which is in about 21, 22 minutes, they get the reward. And the reward right now is $42,597. You could see that the top depositor has deposited 251.85 tokens. So if you deposit more tokens than the top depositor before this ticker goes to zero, you're going to get 891.15 tokens. That's really cool, right? So that's what keeps new investors coming into this protocol. Here's another cool thing. There's a lottery prize. So in this case, this goes to a random investor, a random depositor that has either deposited in Compound previously, or even somebody that can be a brand new depositor too as well on their first day. The lottery prize for this right now is $42,608, which is about 891.39 LP tokens. So I actually won the lottery here. Okay, that's what this is, which was the random depositor that decided to compound or deposit. And you can see that my rewards was 550 LP tokens, which is roughly, at the time of the creation of this video, the value is $26,332. I've also got some rewards, and I've got referrals, people that I've actually referred to the project, which is over 100. So I've earned roughly 56 tokens, almost 57 LP tokens from referrals as well. So they've got a great team, great referral program, great gamification, great incentive to get started. And this has been one of the most stable projects. If you go back through my channel, you're going to see, I'm going to list a playlist below this video that shows you all my top projects here of 2022 that are the most stable. Yes, we have a section for complete degen projects. Anything in crypto is high risk, so do not confuse this for financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just simply a guy on YouTube sharing with you guys the results that I'm getting, trying to inspire you guys to go for your dreams, to take calculated risks. And that's what I've done right here. So I've put some funds into the detonator. I've also put some funds into the farm of EMP, which I will talk about in another video and why I did it. But this is going to be a super exciting run for people that jump on board into emp.money, the detonator. So all you need to do is you need to deposit EMP ETH LP. So all you need to do is go home here and you can click on buy EMP. Okay, and what you would do is first make sure that you purchase Ethereum. Let's say you purchased, $10,000 worth of Ethereum. You're going to take 50% of that 10,000. You're going to convert it over to EMP. Okay, which we can do right here over on PancakeSwap. Once you do that, then you can go over to the detonator and you can click on EMP ETH LP and you can create your LP token from here. So now that you got 50% Ethereum, 50% EMP in this theoretic case, you're just going to click on add liquidity and you're going to go ahead and click on max on whichever side has the smallest amount in terms of US dollars, and you'll be able to enable each of these and then go ahead and supply that LP token and deposit it. If you want to be you want this process to be super simple, you can actually zap in, which is going to be the easiest thing for you guys to do. So you don't have to worry about going to PancakeSwap, getting Ethereum, getting, EMP, converting everything over, doing that whole deal. What you can actually do here is you can select BNB, you can select BUSD, whatever you've got in your wallet, and you can enter that amount here and then click on approve, and it will automatically convert whatever token you've got here into an EMP ETH LP token, so you don't have to go through that whole process that I just explained here, okay? So you can see the distribution right here, 90% reward pool, 6% all depositors based on total deposits, 3% refer, and 1% goes to the treasury. Okay, that's what happens when you go ahead and you deposit. So go ahead and zap in. Again, your initial deposit cannot be withdrawn. You can compound as much as you want to increase your max payout and increase your daily burst. So again, I like to at least compound 5 to 6 days a week, take profit on the 7th day, or at most take profits 2 out of the 7 days and compound the other 5 days. So you can pick what strategy works for you. I just know that we still have a bull market to deal with here in the future. And so I'm just playing the patience game. And I know emp.money is not going anywhere, but just because I know, I know AJ, I know the people that are heading up this whole entire project and how they do daily AMAs, and they're just absolutely crushing it. Something I'm super, super excited about. So if you're excited, go ahead, drop the video like. If you want to check this project out, there's going to be a link in the description below, along with my other update videos on emp.money. I will post those below in the description. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Check out the resources section below. Like, comment, subscribe if you want more daily, weekly updates, and tick that bell icon to be the first to receive news about new projects and what's going on in the world of DeFi and DGen on this very channel. Thank you so much. This is Josh from the DeFi Guys signing off. We'll see you in the next video.